If you want to count the number of cells that contain numeric data, select a cell. Type =count. The count function only counts cells that contain numeric data. Double-click the count command. Select arrange. Hit enter. 6 cells contain numeric data. Now, let's try an example that will not work. Apply the count function to a range, which contains only letters. It returns the value 0, because no cells with numbers are found. The COUNT function counts cells in a range with both numeric and alphabetic values. Select a cell. Type =count A. Remember that COUNT function counts the number of non-empty cells. Double-click the COUNT command. Select arrange. Hit enter. The COUNT function has successfully counted 6 cells with alphabetic data in the range. Now we use this function to count cells of a range that contain both numeric and alphabetic data. Type =count A. Double-click the COUNT command. Select arrange. Hit enter. The COUNT function has counted 6 cells containing any type of data in the range. If we use COUNT function on this range, it will return 3, because there are 3 numeric values in this range.